Welcome to our roundup of the best smart door locks of 2026. These advanced keyless security solutions eliminate the hassle of traditional keys while boosting convenience, remote access, and home protection. From fingerprint recognition and app control to Wi-Fi connectivity, voice integration, auto-locking, and multiple unlock methods, like PIN codes, biometrics, or proximity. Today's smart locks offer seamless integration with smart home ecosystems like Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and more. They provide real-time notifications, access logs, temporary guest codes, and enhanced durability for everyday use. In this list, we've highlighted top performers based on reliability, features, ease of installation, security ratings, and overall value. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the Vase RZ07 Fingerprint Smart Lock. This model is a practical choice for users who want a versatile, multi-method keyless entry for front doors. It typically includes 7-in-1 unlocking options like fast fingerprint scanning in 0.2 seconds, app control, PIN codes, key fobs, EKI sharing, mechanical key backup, and more. With a touchscreen keypad featuring anti-peeping and anti-hacking tech, it's suitable for families, rentals, or daily home use, offering auto-lock, privacy mode, passage mode, and low battery alerts. The durable matte black finish and balanced design make it comfortable and reliable for everyday security around the house. Next up is the Philips Smart Lock with handles, built for users who need an all-in-one upgrade, including matching lever handles. This keyless entry set supports multiple ways to unlock: fingerprints, PIN codes, app remote control, and traditional keys, making it ideal for front doors where you want both enhanced security and a complete aesthetic refresh. It includes auto-locking, real-time monitoring via the app, and support for voice assistance. Its sturdy construction and thoughtful design, with options for permanent, scheduled, or one-time codes, make it a dependable option for homeowners seeking convenience and style in renovation or new installs. Moving on, the Vase VE06 H Smart Front Door Lock is ideal for those wanting a complete handle set with smart features. This model combines a deadbolt with lever handles and offers 5+ access methods including app control, keypad codes, fobs, mechanical key, and thumb turn. It's great for easy DIY installation on standard doors, with auto-lock, one-touch locking, and privacy modes. While not the most advanced in biometrics, it excels in providing a full door upgrade with reliable performance for family homes or entry points needing both security and usability. Stepping up in versatility, the Schlage Code Plus Smart Wi-Fi Lock is a well-known, premium option that combines robust hardware with built-in Wi-Fi for no-hub remote access. It supports Apple HomeKey, tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to unlock, up to 100 access codes, voice control with Alexa, Google, Apple, and features like auto-lock, tamper alarms, and activity logs. Its durable build, easy installation, and top-tier security, ANSI/BHMA Grade 1 equivalent in many aspects, make it suitable for long-term, reliable use in high-traffic homes or those integrated with smart ecosystems. Taking the top spot is the Ultralock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi Smart Lock, which stands out for its powerful 8-in-1 versatility and reliable performance. With built-in Wi-Fi, fingerprint ID, keypad, app control, auto-unlock, via proximity or shake, voice commands, mechanical key backup, and a door sensor for open/closed status, it handles demanding needs like family access management, guest codes, and real-time alerts. It heats up quickly in response, instant fingerprint/keypad, maintains stable operation, and offers IP65 weatherproofing for outdoor use. The sturdy build, easy install, and integrated safety features provide added confidence for larger households or tech-savvy users wanting maximum flexibility. Each of these smart door locks serves a different type of user. The Vase RZ07 is great for budget-friendly multi-method entry, while the Philips Smart Lock with handles offers a stylish full-handle upgrade. The Vase VE06 H suits complete door sets. The Schlage Code Plus provides premium Apple integration and reliability, and the Ultralock U-Bolt Pro delivers top-tier features for serious smart home setups. That wraps up our list of the best smart door locks of 2026. From affordable keyless options to advanced Wi-Fi models built for ultimate convenience and security. Whether you're upgrading your front door, enhancing smart home integration, or adding reliable access control, there's a strong option here for your needs. Let us know in the comments which smart lock you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart home reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your home safer, smarter, and more efficient with the right smart lock.